All right, let's see if this works now. I adjusted all my streaming settings. Just checking Twitch, see if Twitch is working. That looks good. Little glitchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buffer, buffer, buffer. I adjusted all my streaming settings. Just checking Twitch. Come on. Can't tell. You hear yourself? Still stuttering. Not great. Yeah, still bad. Let's check YouTube. YouTube 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. Yeah, still bad. Let's check YouTube. YouTube's good. YouTube 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. Alright, I think it's just Twitch. Can you check your Twitch? Is it bad? Twitch. Can you check your Twitch? Almost good, and then it just lags. Is it bad? Oh, I'm not on Wi-Fi. I wonder if that's why. Maybe it's just the Twitch app on my not Wi-Fi. Is good? Yeah. Okay. Twitch 1, 5, 4, 2, 3. That's pretty stuttery still. You sure? It's not like buffering a lot? That's still buffering every once in a while. That's good? Okay. Twitch 1, 5. Okay, it's good now. 2, 3. It still stutters there. Whatever. You guys let us know how bad it is. Or how good it is. Cool. Alright, here's what we gotta do. We have to create a new repository. Who knows what a repository is?
I don't know.
You gonna follow along or what?
Yep.
Okay.
Repository, isn't it like before you make a game, you need like a file to start coding and stuff?
Kind of.
Is it like this?
You're right, it's for files. Exactly. It's
Look at the starting scene.
it's where you put your code. You share it with others. And since we're doing this project together, it's good to have. But that's not the only reason. It's because I use it to deploy the game to my website. We'll talk about deployment in a sec. But check it out. I'm going to share my other screen. All right, you guys see that? This is the website. So our game is going to show up right here on this website. Okay, but before we can do that, we need to go and create a new repository in GitHub, Randroid's Dojo. I just do everything public. Come check out all my projects. Okay, moment of truth. What do we call this game, guys? Oh, there's a delay.
Is it the racing?
Yeah, so text racer, right? We're thinking of, it's going to be a stream game where different, you'll say like, you'll have two, is it 2 or 4? Like you pick like a different color, right? You'd be like blue car, red car, yellow car, green car. And then, so you just say SBB,
Like
text racer, green.
or we could just do like the
That's so
letter.
long though.
Like you could just do the letter instead of like green.
Like
You could put
TR.
G,
Okay, we can do TR instead.
and then we can just put like green as G, blue as B, red as R.
Okay, yeah, that's true. So we go SBB, TR, space, R for red, or B for blue, space, and then you have to type the text you see on the screen. Okay, but what happens if, so it's good if everybody, like there's like 4 people watching my stream and each one gets their own car. We have to think about what if they all pick the same car, you know, multiple people pick the same car. Maybe that's a strategy, like, hey, I'll take every other word. Like we could team up. So it's like the quick brown fox, so I'll be like the, and you say
Quick.
brown.
Fox.
So we're typing the whole time, and then we could beat whoever's on the other team typing. Sound good?
Or it could be like SBB player R or something for like red, and then it could be like spot taken.
Should be team, right?
I think it is going to be teams because it's on chat. Anyone can type whatever they want. Oh, I just realized. How are we going to handle misspellings? Just ignore it, doesn't do anything.
Maybe you just like, cause you know misspelling, you have to delete it and put it again.
If you misspell it, you don't move on to the next character. You still have to retype the word.
Yeah, cause it gotta be
You do have to
perfect.
retype it, I agree. But I was thinking, you know, you could like drop a banana peel or something like Mario Kart if you mess it up. But then you could sabotage other players by typing the wrong thing. How about this? How about you can't type the wrong thing to mess people up, but you can type
To mess
to
yourself.
use, no, you can mess them up, but you have to type something special like bomb.
Oh, like bomb.
Like people that are not playing, like in the sideline, just.
Or yeah, people on the
Oh,
sideline
yeah,
can
people on the
like
sideline.
attack all, like whoever's winning, you know?
Slip red.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we got a good idea going.
It should be a countdown because I don't think it should be like.
Yeah, it
It's
should be like
infinite
every
staying.
10 seconds a
Yeah.
random person or like
True.
one person. can do
Well,
something.
that's very true. All right, we're gonna make it public. We're gonna include a README. This is the document. It's in a markdown format. All right, I can never decide. Am I gonna do all lowercase? I've been doing lowercase lately. I'll just stick with that. Text racer, or do you guys have a better name?
I have no idea.
I like it because it tells you what it is, right?
Yeah.
But it's a stream text. But I
Well,
guess it doesn't have to be stream. We can make it offline too somehow.
It's kind of like Nitro type is not just about nitros. It's like
I never played that one. All right, we're gonna do it. And did we decide on an art style? You guys still thinking about it?
I feel like the bot kind of one, like the one
Yeah, that one
that
seems like too hard just for a simple racing game.
Well, let's go look what we got.
like kind of like Rocket.
So we got robot. 3D it's probably the hardest one. It is definitely the hardest one. Like I had to get those models and then I had to animate them by hand, not by hand, by robot hand or whatever. Oh, you guys haven't played this one. Okay, this one is legit gonna be one of my best. Oh my god, I never played on desktop, so I didn't even know this UI was a thing. This is crazy. I always played on my phone. So you build the drone, you tell it to build a barracks, you lock it in, and now you watch, and it goes into builds. My little drone over here, he's gonna go build. Boom, and then I'm playing another computer, and then I want to do crystal extractor, lock it in, skip the animation this time. Now I'm gonna train a pulse sentry at my barracks, lock it in, and then watch a guy's gonna spawn right here. It's gonna be a pulse sentry. Boom, that guy. Okay? And then I'm going to have the drone gather the resources, and I'm going to train one more guy if I can. Oh, I can't. I don't have enough. This guy, I'm going to tell him to go attack on this side of the map. I don't even care where, right? I just know the base is over there somewhere. See the purple? That's actually a bug. You're not supposed to see where their guys are. I need to fix that. Lock it in, and then I get extra time travel energy. I haven't really figured out the time travel mechanics yet. But you can start ramping up production, right? So like now I can choose between 2 free drones or stronger drones. Definitely free drones. It's not even a choice. Like, so obvious. Okay, that guy, he's gonna go build there. This guy, we're gonna move him out to the middle. Maybe he could build. He can build another barracks farther out. I'm gonna do another pulse entry. Lock it in. Skip. I'm destroying this guy. Attack. Boom. Do I have enough? I don't have enough mineral. I have one more drone, but I'm not gonna build a drone. It's a little slow to start. Can you think of any ways to make it better? Yeah, he is building, but slowly. It's on the easiest setting for the computer, so I need to fix that.
I don't
have to fix it. I can change it.
NPC for like easy have like a little bit more drones to start with, because it's like too easy.
No, you can choose. So the first time you play, you play easy, and then if you beat it, you can play a harder one, and harder is like 4 levels. But yeah, I guess that's pretty boring if you are good at it.
Like
but I think if you've never played this game, it would take you a lot longer to do what I'm doing.
What is move resources?
Exactly. And there's also shortcuts on keyboard because I'm used to playing on mobile. But all right, builds. Where's this guy going? Where did this drone come from? He's right here. Why are you not gathering units? Should we not gather this whole time? Okay, they're gonna fight. So they start attacking automatic, or I can choose who to attack. 1 TE, that's the temporal surge. Timeline crackles with latent energy, or 1 command slot. Definitely 1 command slot. Again, too easy. Pulse sentry. See, I don't have another barracks, so I can't build more than 1 item. That's because I'm moving my drone over here to build it. Okay, another sentry trains. Ooh, he's ramping up production. Actually, he might be good. Let's see. My drone's almost there. Yeah, he might catch up. Okay, these guys are fighting. That's a drone. Kill the drone. Kill the drone. Boom. He's going down. He's going down. Okay, he jumped over here. Okay. Ranger. Attack. He was. Let's see. Now my drone can build. What was the wrong drone? Why do the drones stop sometimes? I don't understand that. Is it a new drone?
Like a thing of the
Did I
thing
create a new drone?
There's like a chance of malfunction.
I might have created a new drone and not realized it. Let's build over here. This guy. What are you doing? Oh, I think I told him to gather or something. I should have told him to build. I messed it up. See? I'm starting to make mistakes. Or no, it is him. I thought it was the other guy. See, that's confusing. So I'll click this guy. I wanted him to build a barracks. I want him to build here. Terrain. Pulse. And then, you want to see something cool? You can merge your guys to make them a little more powerful. They're not as powerful as like 2 guys, but they can move quicker. It doesn't make as much sense now that it's easy to move. It used to be really hard to move guys. Now you can just send them across the map. So I'm gonna go ahead and
You should like kind of make it like where so they can only move to a certain amount of places,
defect.
and then like if you upgrade them, then they can like make more or something.
Yeah, I gotta think about that. Okay, so they're attacking. Is that his base? I think we're about to just win. No, that's his base. That's a sentry, I think. Also need to work on the art style. Alright, if I can do 1 more sentry, I'll show you guys how you can merge them. Okay, now this guy can build another extractor here. That will give us more resources. And we can actually build 2 guys now if we have enough resources. Boom. guys have infiltrated. That was good. Okay, let's merge these two sentries. This one merge with this guy, and then this guy go attack the base. This drone. Let's just go ahead and build another extraction so the other one's not built yet. And then I'm gonna train one more drone. Lock it. See, those guys just merged. Lots happening. Boom, attack. Oh, he made another drone. Okay, yeah, I got this in the back. See, it says 2x now. I could do a surge, and that lets me move him even farther now. Faster. This guy attack. This guy, I want you to go gather here. Here. No. This guy gather. Didn't build in time. Rush build. All structures finish instantly. Let's do that, and then let's build another. Where's our drone? Give me a drone. This guy? A sentry drone. This guy. Let's build barracks. Oh, I didn't even do tech upgrades. I didn't think about that. More drones so I can do tech upgrades and stuff. Alright, so that building should be built immediately because I chose that bonus. It jumps around a lot. Alright. Surge again. We're going to go across the map really fast. Then this drone. Oh, I don't have enough to build the tech. I wanted to build tech. Victory. Killed his base. What do you guys think? It's like my full game almost, you know, like first full game. It actually works. See, now I can play this one. He's stronger. Cool. Alright, so let's build something like that. Oh yeah, so art style. Wait, we already showed. Oh, this is the streamer one, but we moved the stream over to play BPK. But yeah, BPK's there. Piano style is just like lines, simple lines. If I don't want that. Yeah, Mikasa is. I forgot to put in a name.
I feel like it's maybe like the pixel or like.
Yeah, these are voxels. See, there's one problem though. Is you see how they're flashing like that? It's called Z fighting, and so I have to fix that a lot of times. But look at, you can also, because it's voxels, that's what this art style is called. You can easily do things like this to stretch it and shrink it, which is pretty cool. But I don't think we need that for our racer game. And did you guys know you can move rooms? So if you hold this and drag, pretty sick, right? This one's pretty cool.
Like make your own room.
Tell this guy to clean, turn the lights on. He's gonna turn the lights on now. Alright, so that's voxels. Okay, this one, you're gonna laugh. It's really bad graphics, but it's kind of cool. So this one actually has an AI built into it, a text large language model. So you can choose a creature. Give me a creature name. Like a type of creature, like a lion.
Like a turtle.
Turtle. Love it. Okay. Weapon, like a sword.
Katana.
Katana. And then weather or force of nature, like lightning.
Volcano.
That's good. Alright, now it's going to generate art that looks so bad. So there's your turtle. See, he's green, right? And this little energy thing is our volcano fury. So if I hit X, that's our volcano fire. See? That's right. It just did that based on your words, and that's your katana. That's really bad. Oops. I don't know how to attack on this keyboard. Let's go to the next level. But here's the cool part. Level 2, different art style. This one, 3D. Ooh, that's your turtle. And then pick that up, fire. He's on top of me. It's pretty bad. I need to fix that. level. Will you guess the style?
Wait, let me guess. Pixels.
Kind of, yeah. Arcade. Actually, no, this is not pixels. This is I think this is voxels. Line voxel. I don't know. Vector. This is vector based. This is pretty. This should be our racer. Look at this. The turtles though are like generated. You can see it's the same guy, but as a turtle shape, like, but as a space guy, right? Yeah. And then the bomb. That's the fire. That's the volcano. It was a bomb. Pretty sick, right? Alright, and then this is the longest I ever played this game, actually. I'm about to set a record. Alright. Put my name in. Wait, there's a level 4? I don't remember making a level 4, guys. What could this be? The Enchanted Farm. Oh, I remember this one. Okay, this is the voxel one, I think. Yeah, this is the voxels. So here's a little guy. You gotta milk the turtle warrior. Milk him. You chose turtle, dude. That's on you. And then you deliver it. And then you milk another one. See, this is creativity. You just come up with different ideas, right? Yeah. So I don't know about you, but I think that vector, like old school arcade looking graphics would be great for a racer. Up to you guys though. What do you want?
Yeah, I like the one that you said.
Spaceship one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, freeze cows. Cool. I don't know why I freeze them though. It should have been a
Maybe if they move a
volcano.
lot, then you can't like hold it.
Yeah, I guess. But it shouldn't have been a freeze. It should have been literally with a volcano. 30. I'm not gonna put 30 more seconds. I want to put in my name, but I don't want to wait 30 more seconds. Can I just end it? This has got to be the highest score of all time. I don't think anyone plays this game. Oh, there's a jump too. Forgot about that. Don't need it, but it's there.
You maybe could make like the blocks obstacles and then.
Yeah, and then you have to jump. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. You shouldn't even be able to walk over them. Okay, done. Let me put in my initials. Let's see. Leaderboard. Where am I? Which one did I just do? 15? Oh my gosh, Santiago been playing this game. Dude, 8. 8 milks. This guy destroyed me. He plays it with his kids, I think. And then I added this so you could like see the different assets. So that's all the generated art.
What did he use?
I can't tell because it's only mine, but I probably could look it up because I have access to all the data. But
Why is it like a
see,
lightning?
the weapons are the worst one for sure. I need to work on that.
Create a game by just typing a version? How does that?
Yeah, exactly. It's sick, huh? And it's super meta because I created this game by typing to an AI. So everything about it was created with words. This one, the whole point of this was to work with an actual game engine called Godot instead of just a web game. And it's really hard. It's really broken. It's supposed to be mobile. It's supposed to be a digging game.
Yeah, you told me that you wanted
But this one is
to help you animate.
this
with
one's broken. Yeah, I need more art, better art. Anyways,
I saw you do like a.
Is that
mechanic.
it? Are we out of games? It's not loading. Oh, there it goes. Go dig. No, it's not loading. Something's wrong. We lost the internet.
Oh yeah, cause this stream's like not moving.
Stream's dead too?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the internet.
Damn. Dun, 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 dun. thought you only had like 27. Was that on your
Probably
Twitch?
probably my other account.
F145.
I got a better one. It's easier to play. I haven't played it yet, but F1 is so hard.
So like, cause like, the times are good.
Where's my games? My library. This one.
Oh, I've seen some people play it. It looks good. Which one's like the go button? I'm pretty sure it's this one, right? Like to.
You need to move it
The bigger
closer.
one should be just the brake, you know, because you hit the brake easily.
Watch your feet. Actually, it's just nice. Okay, as far as it goes. So okay. Well, I gotta walk in. Where is this thing?
Steering wheel way
It's too light.
Press device. Press enter to start. Press X for accessibility. Option highlighted. Enter current device 1 ESC current value. Device 1 current value. Option highlighted. Increase option highlighted. Sign language picture in picture. Option 5 of 24. Control type. Value selector. Current value. Off. Value 1 of 3. Activate picture-in-picture videos for either American Sign Language or British Sign Language. ESC back. Space safe. X items.
Oh, we got off-road rally car. 120 FPS.
That's
It's a mid. It's like a 5-year-old graphics card. Actually, it looks capped at 120. Maybe because of the Xbox.
yeah, because I'm pretty sure on our Xbox
But it
it
went
goes
down.
max 60 or minimum 60.
Oh, with this car, look at that. That's Hot Wheels track. You see the Hot Wheels track?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. Are we back? Oh, looks like we might be back. No, that's not the stream. We need to restart the router. That's cool too. What is that?
All these cars cool.
Ford. Built tough. What's that say? Oh, Supra.
99%. Come on.
That's Ferrari, right?
Yeah. Method. 27 FPS. 10 F.
I think it's testing. GPU 0.
Using 50% CPU.
Nice. Wow, it's so real.
It's not turning.
It's not turning?
Oh no, it's just the thing.
Is this the test?
I think so.
new one's coming out this year. Yeah, it already looks great. What's that guy doing? They're driving like maniacs.
We're 11,000.
$60. Starter count 82, equal percentage 99. Average 72. Environment extreme. I don't see, I don't think we need extreme environments. I want higher FPS. We probably could lower the graphics and get better FPS. We'll see though. I like the graphics too.
Yeah, the graphics are not.
Let's just see.
60 FPS is not that.
I mean, for consoles, it's great. I mean, that's what it is. Not great, but where'd it go? It's Xbox, right?
Yeah.
Did it crash? Why did it shut down? Oh, because I closed that. Why do
Horizon.
oh, this isn't running. Do I have to download more cars? Probably have to pay for them. Schmeeble, her brother, over a year ago. It's almost about 200.
Jessica played it 10 months ago.
Hello. It's fine. I wonder if it's the internet is messing this up too. I might have to start the restart the router. This picture is mine. We didn't unplug anything, did we? Oh, now it's launching. Weird. Hello. Oh, we're still streaming. Why can't I load this page? I could just crash this whole time. Oh well.
Screen turn what? No, it's not.
We had a chatter in here. I missed him. We thought we were frozen.
What do you say? What are you saying?
I always wanted to join a cool coder stream. XD. Just kind of sound like a bot, right? XD. Who says XD, right? Some guy named I Boo Boo. Just kidding. Oh, what's going on? I didn't know you were just waiting. Let's just go with this box. Oh, you know what we need? We need widescreen. I don't know if they can do widescreen. Oh, scared me. You got a ghost in the house. Oh, here you go. Switch cameras, Y, E-brake, B, but you got a real brake. What is that? Rewind is X. Steering, obviously. If you hold brake, you'll go reverse. The
So
second,
far.
that's brake, yeah.
What about this one? It's just there.
That's for same thing as these for switching gears. But you're automatic.
Are you guys ready to leave? Maybe
2 hours, yeah. 2 hours? Sure.
20 minutes? Can't be serious.
Home. The most beautiful Everyone is welcome. Together, we can explore the wonder and beauty of Mexico.
Mexico.
Experience true freedom. Feel alive. Let's go together as friends and family.
Family. This is supposed to be Fast and Furious.
One thing I have learned chasing the horizon is sometimes you just have to let go and enjoy the ride.
Heck yeah. Enjoy the ride. 30 FPS ride. 180. I'm gonna drop you out of the plane. This is some fast X stuff. You ready? It says press something to jump. Oh wait, it takes a keyboard. Yeah, there you go. Whoa! Chop it like it's hot. La Gran Caldera Volcano. Ready for this?
Let's see if I can do it.
Whoa, that looks so cool. Oh, it is widescreen. That was sick. That was epic. It went from like small letterbox to full ultra wide.
It's so like light.
You want to maybe you can change it. I'm not sure.
It's like super light.
Yeah, if you're turning way too much. Like maybe you're not used to a real car when you only turn a little bit. There you go. There you go.
Oh, I thought it was turning.
You go off the edge into the volcano? Oh.
It's like turning. Oh. No, it's like
Oh,
turning.
you gotta do it hard to turn.
I am the party turning. It actually is bumpy. We're shaking.
It's not Testing whisper flow. What's up? Testing whisper flow.
Little dust. Yep. I cooked.
Alright, get out of this.
Excellent.
All right, pause.
Okay, on my mark.
Pause it.
Can I go? Ah.
Things could get a little rough.
Thunder in the jungle. I'm surprised this isn't dark. Whoa. It was off?
Not even a scratch. The jungle awaits.
Okay, here we go. What are we doing? We are talking to Claude. Who is Claude, guys? Do you know Claude?
Claude.
Have you ever heard of Claude? Okay, it's named after someone who had early ideas about AI.
Wait, Claude AI?
Yeah, Claude
Oh, I know
AI. You
Claude.
know Claude. Okay, you saw the Super Bowl ads, right? Or they made fun of ChatGPT? No?
No.
Oh, okay. We're going to tell this thing what our plan is. You know what? We're just going to jump in. I'm going to start the voice chat, okay? It's not working. Start flowing. Finish. There we go. All right, Claude. I'm here with my nephews, and we are going to vibe code a game together. Now, I want you to create a docs/gdd.md game design document. Okay. So there we go. And then start typing the next message. Okay. Finish and paste. Cancel. The finish and paste does not work, surprisingly. Continue. So who wants to tell them about the game idea?
I don't want to.
Okay. Well, to start off, you're going to follow the same setup for GitHub and Vercel that we have for like all my other games. So I'm going to give you some links so you'll know how to set that up. But let's also talk a little bit about what this game is. This game, Text Racer, is meant to be played over a stream through chat. So Twitch and YouTube. So I'm going to give you a link to my SBB. You know what that stands for?
The screen thing?
Streamer Billboard. The Streamer Billboard app, which has integrations with my other games already. And so, oh, are you listening? Okay, still listening. So, you're going to make this game work with chat messages. So, specifically, there's going to be 4 racers, red, green, blue, yellow, and a chat commenter can move any of those cars forward by sending a command. So the command has to start with SBB, like all SBB commands, and then TR for Text Racer, and then the color. So B for blue, R for red, G for green, Y for yellow. And then they need to type a single word. That word has to match the next word shown on the screen for that racer. Now, what do I mean by word? So imagine a sentence. The quick brown fox jumped over, what is it?
A log.
Jumped over something. And so in order to move the car just a little bit forward on the racetrack, I have to type the. So SBB, let's say I'm red. SBB TR R the. Enter. I send that, and then the car moves a little bit. Now, if I type the wrong word, misspell, whatever, maybe somebody else typing at the same time, they send the same word. Only one of them is going to go through. The car's going to move a little forward, or it's not going to move at all because we typed the wrong thing. Cool. So that's the basics of it. So whoever types the commands fast enough to get through the entire sentence is going to get to the finish line. So let's start out really simple, where it's a single sentence like the quick brown fox jumped over, blah, blah, blah. And it's a straight line, and the 4 cars are racing. First one to the finish line wins. Each word moves them the same amount or something. To start, very simple. The art style is going to be similar to the 3rd, I think, level in Determined. Determined is another one of my games where I'll send you the code. It's specifically the spaceship game. We're going to copy the arcadey vertex style, like SVG style game art. So you're going to generate the cars and the racetrack like that. So that's the basics. Let's get started. Let me know if you have any questions. I have no idea if I never use voice. Let's see if that worked. So who wants to tell them about the game idea? Okay, well, to start off, you're going to follow the same setup for GitHub. That's crazy. All right, here's what he's saying. Got it. This is a really fun concept. A chat-driven racing game for streams. Let me make sure I have everything straight before we dive in. 4 racers, red, green, blue, yellow.
Yes.
Chat viewers race the cars by typing the next word in the sentence. Command format SBB, TR, RGB, or Y. Word. Only the first correct submission counts. Wrong word or too slow, no move. First car to finish the full sentence wins. Simple straight line racetrack to start. 1 sentence per race. Setup and style. Same GitHub plus Vercel setup as other games. Art style, arcade vertex style from Determined Spaceship level 3. Integrates with SBB, Streamer Billboard. What I need from you are links to other game repos, SBB, and Determined. Okay, I got those for you. This is Determined. This is SBB. And Block Punch Kick. All right, let's see how he does. I already have all these locally. I'm going to tell it, I have all projects locally. Just get, fetch, and pull the latest. That's good. Alright, so looking at the other games, this part might take a bit. Now, if you guys log in on a computer or something like this, you can get the same thing, but you get it through the Claude website. So claude.ai/new. Go to /code is the one you want. So if you're logged into my account, for example, you'll see down here we'll say repository, and then you get to search for the repository we created for this text racer. I already selected it. You can choose whatever branch. It's going to create a new branch. That just means it's not going to directly put your changes in the code. It's going to put it in a branch, and then I can review the code. You want full, just means it can search the web and do everything it needs to do. The best model, best LLM is Opus 4.6. If you ran out of, didn't have the money or whatever, you could go to the cheaper ones, but this is the best one, most capable. And so right now, this can't do anything because this code has not been pushed yet. But once this code is pushed, you can do things like, say, I want to change the way the race cars look, or I want to add trees to the...
Or you can add stands with people cheering.
Yeah, exactly. And so, let me show you what that might look like. Let's choose one of my other games, and we'll do an example. So what was the...
Punch Kid.
Yeah, what do you want to change about Punch Kid? Block Punch Kid.
Maybe still like
Maybe.
the background.
Yeah,
Okay.
background could be like a forest.
I think
Okay.
no, not like a boxing match, like a boxing ring,
Change the background to what?
like a boxing ring.
To a boxing ring. Alright, enter. I'm gonna give you guys this computer to take home. This is that Chromebook that we bought a long time ago.
Oh yeah.
Changing back. Sure. Let's see, we need to set it up.
Did you don't have like this side plug to put in?
Yeah. It's over here somewhere.
Like inside the computer?
No, I mean it's just USB-C.
I have a
All right, it's done. So look what this guy did. Remember I told it to make a design doc? So this is all just text, no code, no art, nothing. So we could read this whole file. The red stuff is the first draft and the green is its updates. Let me just read it from here so I don't have to open it. The genre is chat-driven typing race, which is not really a genre. We just made that up. I mean, I guess there might be some games like that. Platform is web, browser-based, stream via SBB, players, multiplayer via Twitch, YouTube chat, target audience, stream viewers. Concept, text racer is chat controlled, so it's basically repeating everything we said and organizing it. So later the robot can look back at this and be like, what's this game again? And you can just read this document. So it's just showing examples of if I type the, red car advances, next word is quick. If I type the wrong word, it's rejected. Rules, each car tracks its own position in the sentence independently. Yes, so they're not writing the same sentence. That's one thing that we knew, we just assumed, but it could have misinterpreted. If this was like a dumber, like a year ago model, it might have been like, oh, everybody sees the same sentence. Everybody's typing the right now. First person to type the moves, and the next people, what? Have to type the next word? No. So this is smart to realize everybody gets their own sentence. If two people send the same correct word at the same time, only the first one process counts, which doesn't matter really. First car to complete the full sentence wins the race. Art style, arcade vector wireframe with neon glow. Matching determined spaceship level. Dark background with subtle gradients, wireframe vector car drawn with canvas pass, no images, multi-pass neon glow, shadow blur, racetrack, it's a straight horizontal line with grid perspective lines, 4 lanes, color palette, it's gonna go deep dark, or deep dark, I don't know what color that is, 04020E, cyan glow,
It's like
red
Tron
car,
color.
green, blue, yeah, Tron probably. Screen layout. Okay, check this out. This is little ASCII art. That's just text art. So like red is ahead of green. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So you got check, 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 red words next, 4 out of 9, green word 3 out of 9, blue word 2 out of 9. So I have one question about this. What's wrong with this, guys, if you look at this?
That they all have the same one.
Yeah, it's not clear why. I think it's showing reds, right? It's saying red word 4 out of 9, 1, 2, 3. No, because that's not right. This is showing green then, 3 out of 9. So this is showing green. But if I'm the streamer, what do I show? What do I show on the billboard? I need to see all the colors.
Yeah.
So this is not necessarily going to work. So we might want to tell it that. Title, finish line marker, 4 racing lanes, wireframe, text racer, runs as a standalone, message protocol. What if it was one sentence that's always on the screen and the word you're on has an indicator under, like an underline of your color? So the first word will have red, green, blue, and yellow under it. And then when green gets it right, the green will go under the next word.
Yeah, that's smart.
'Cause then you don't have to say the text over and over.
I feel like it should be a longer sentence, like a paragraph.
Not a paragraph.
Well,
That's
yeah,
true.
because
If it's a
short,
really long one and there's one racer stuck at the beginning, you can't just move it to the next word or next sentence or something, because they need to see that word. So that would be a problem in that case. If we keep it to drag races, that's not a problem. Okay, so we could do in, what about this? What about, so imagine it's a road, probably needs to be horizontal if it's going to be on this screen. Imagine there's 4 lanes, horizontal lanes, and there's a faded sentence over the lane of the word. Each lane has the same sentence over and over, and only the next word you need to write is like full brightness or whatever. Everything else is faded. And then you type the, and that fades, and then it shows quick, and it unfades, but it's always in the same spot until you get to the end of the sentence maybe, and then it can go to the next sentence or something. Maybe you can scroll somehow.
Or you can just do each sentence lights up.
Yeah, each sentence lights up.
like glows, since it's like Tron.
But then that means we have to have 4 sentences. Is that what we want to go with? We could keep it simple, have it 1 sentence for now, but because we're repeating it 4 times in the lanes, we can build on that later to have multiple sentences. But if we have a single shared sentence with the underlines, then you can't really do multi-sentence later. So I think it's fine to keep, yeah, let's do that. All right. Okay, so let's change something. You know what, let's just, all right, some things we need to change. We need the sentence to be repeated for each lane. We want the words to appear under the car, like on the road for their lane, with the current word they're trying to type highlighted and the other one's kind of faded. And you see the whole sentence or whatever fits on the screen. And then when you get to the end of the sentence, we could refresh it to show a second sentence. But for now, it's just going to be 1 sentence. But that way, we can have multiple sentence races and not have to worry about different cars being far behind and having to somehow show the whole text. So in this case, we are repeating the sentence 4 times, once for every lane. Did I miss anything? Got it. Each lane shows its own copy of the sentence on the road with the current word highlighted and others faded. Let me update the GDD. Okay, so now it looks like this. The quick brown fox jumps over. The quick brown. Oh, okay. It looks a little weird with the lines up, but I think it gets the point. Okay. Do you want to start building? Can we think of anything else wrong?
No.
Okay. Do it. All right, this guy, it says it made the boxing arena. So you can't really test it when you're using the website version of this. But what you can do is you hit this button here to create a PR. A PR is a pull request saying you want to. It's kind of weird why it's called a pull, but essentially you want to merge your code into the main code. And so it's fine to do. You just click this button, and as long as I'm logged in still, it will. This is Android. Oh, I thought Chrome was its own thing. It says Chrome's out of date, but I don't know how to update it. Oh, there we go. Restart to update. Use by the way to ask a quick side question without interrupting Claude's current work. Let's try it. Slash by the way, what language are you coding in? Answering.
Probably English.
Vanilla JavaScript. Yes. Modules with HTML5 canvas for rendering. No frameworks, no bundler, same approach as your other games like Block, Punch, Kick, and Determined. Everything runs directly in the browser as static files served by Vercel.
I want to see the finished thing of this.
I think it's done. Oh, no connection to browser. Okay, so it's trying to play the game, which I like. I'm going to let it use my browser. So this is some advanced stuff right here. I don't think you guys are going to be set up with this right away, but try again. So I took a screenshot of my browser. Looking good. The core is working. You want to see what it looks like? Whoa! Kind of ugly.
The cars need to face the same way now. I mean, like,
Yep.
towards the finish.
Good catch.
Oh, you have to type.
The robot's typing. It's testing itself. This is how we die.
The car's not even on.
This is how we die, guys. The robots control everything. Have you seen Terminator?
Yeah.
The cars are backwards, you dummy. So you gotta be mean to them. I'm just kidding. You don't have to be mean to them. It's working. You see, red car moved ahead 3 words. Now on Dozy. Completed Bright Vixen's jump. Green car moved 1 word. Blue and yellow still at the start. The words on the road are showing correctly. Read one file. Wait the vertices. Yeah, good point. Wait, the vertices already point blah 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 blah. It always gets confused about directions.
You should say turn
Okay,
it
it fixed it.
horizontal.
Nope, it did not.
Say turn horizontal.
You said like mirror it horizontally, right? Flip it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he said they still look the same. The spoiler wing is still on the right, so it knows the problem. There it goes. Fixed. Okay, the cars should be racing, not jumping along / teleporting.
Make them slide.
I kind of want speed. What? Maybe they should always be moving And then what do your typing avoids obstacles? No, that wouldn't really work in real time. I just realized this game is gonna be boring. It's gonna work though. Test R. So say R pack. Oh, it's starting. Go R. R. Oh, it keeps restarting when I hit R. I think R is restart. No. Okay. Dang it. R my. R box. Okay, now it's sliding along with. What do you think? Do you think the word should match where it goes to? I feel like it'd be both. It'd be bad both ways though, right? Oh, R5. R dozen. Kind of feels weird only typing one word.
I want to see you have a winning animation.
I can't even spell liquor. R lick or R jugs. And then it goes to the next word. So it did do multiple sentences, but it changed all of them, which is wrong. Or unless it's a new word. Oh, it's a new game.
So it should have like a winning thing,
Okay. We want winner.
Winner and
Maybe like a persistent count of like what colors won the most.
Yeah.
I said like a trophy. And
Okay, trophies.
Like a color
Have
on top of it, like the color of the car.
They're just the trophy.
have a consistent showing trophy high score UI on the screen that shows overall
Stats.
wins for each color across all time. Store in Vercel. KB. We're going to store it in a key value store. It's like it's a very basic way of storing data. You just say like key is red, value is 5 for 5 wins. It's going to be, yeah, okay. All right, what do we want to do with the sentences? You want it to spread out evenly across the screen? Will we ever have like longer words move you farther kind of deal?
I feel like the longer the word, the more like space. I don't really know how to say, but like, there should be space between. Never mind, it's kind of hard to say.
Yeah, I'm not sure what will be fun. I think we just have to iterate, keep trying.
Like if it's a short word, you can like spread it out. Like I don't know how to say it. Like put a space between.
All right, the setup is API wins, RGB1, Vercel. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. I thought it would use up more of the screen. Let's fix that. What did you call it when you adaptive? Make the game adaptive to fit on any size screen. For desktop, especially make it fit the Samsung G9 Ultra Y that we use for the streamer billboard. Alright, it's gonna make this fit the screen a little better. But it added the high scores, but I think we have to deploy it for the high score stuff to actually work. QV3. All right. Do you have your email on your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, can you accept an invite to something?
Probably.
Let me see if I can invite you to my GitHub. Okay, it says it did it. Yes. Test. Okay, it fills the whole full screen. Looks good. He's testing right now. Let's watch the robot play, guys. Race. No? No, nobody racing.
Crazy.
We probably need to add audio. Base motion.
You should have like a check mark sound whenever you get one right. Like a jam. Or like something like some like car sound maybe. Whenever they get something right.
I like that. Why don't you try adding that one once you get set up? Let's see. Where'd you get that? Alright, looks like it's playing well. Still testing. I'm going to tell it to push it directly to our repository, no pull request needed. And then we need to go into Vercel and we need to add it as a new project, and that's the last time we really need to touch Vercel. It's pretty simple. Alright, check your email.
What email?
Your Outlook. Commit and push. What do you have?
EA courses, 12
I did not mean to do that. There we go.
I don't have that one anywhere. Okay, it's supposedly pushed it. I need to go to Vercel next. Open up the streamer. Chris. Open up the billboard. New project. Text tracer, import. Other.
In my elbow.
Okay, it's deploying.
Maybe put your mouse to the wall.
Okay, it's deployed. So you guys on your phones or whatever can go to this text-racer.vercel.app. But yeah, go to the streamer thing.
How do you do this?
You have to go to the top, right? Escape. Escape. Select back.
Oh, exit
ending
desktop.
on. Oh, okay. You what?
Yes.
Okay, go back to the other tab. Does this look right? Are you still on? Still on?
Right, just go back to streamer mode then.
Okay, check your Gmail. See if you get that.
Here it is.
You go to streamer builder. Die.
Oh, you know what's funny? You're probably signed into your Gmail on this thing since it's a Chromebook. How do I sign out? It's not intuitive at all. Can you text it to me? Your email address. Oh, it's not. Okay. I see it. It's actually on this guy. All right, I'll fix it. No, I got it. Did you see it on there, Chris?
No, I'm trying to. I got it. Got a little.
What's the name of it?
Bruh. I created it now.
Oh yeah.
Refresh. It's not gonna do.
Not. It's the third tab.
This one?
Do you know your password for your Gmail?
Maybe.
Bum 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 bum.
Punch, punch, kick, kick, punch, 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 kick, 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 kick. Pick up, pick up.
Okie doke. Okay, so streamer billboard is going to be updated. You now launch the game with TR, I guess. And then you do SB, like we said, SBB, TR, R for red, word, picks the team color and types next word. Processor auto switches to TR. Okay.
It says that I had an error and it just like restarts the beginning. I think.
So wrong password?
Yeah.
Or you signed in
No,
on
it
the-
said tap yes on the phone. I tapped yes and it said type in your old password.
Oh, in your old password?
I tried so.
Try again. Okay, if you refresh, you should see it. Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot I was doing it on my phone. This is the other one. But that one, you should see new commands. I think you have to go full screen. Why is it the colors? The text is wrong. Refresh. Whoa. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's still on this game, and now it has the chat, what game you're on, how to stop the game. Oh no, that's not the chat. That's the commands. It's supposed to have the chat too, though. Oh, that is the chat. But nobody said anything. So who's in Twitch right now? Send a chat. If you happen to be on Twitch,
I don't think anybody is.
I'll do it. SBB game off. Okay, now you're back here. That's it's scrollable because
Send a chat. If you happen to be on.
you gotta mute that other tab. It's just echoing.
Yeah.
That's,
This one?
SBB.
Oh, no.
oh no.
It's
Right,
this
yeah,
one.
this one. Okay, cool. That's too many messages.
Like, I don't think you should do like Picasso lights on or maybe. I don't think the piano.
I think I'm gonna get rid of all of these and then just show them on the actual game. Right?
Yeah. I haven't seen someone send me in
Okay. Remove all of the game commands from the main SPB story and only show them on the game after it is launched. Keep the other commands. Cool. Alright, and we should have the game in a second. Done. Oh, I have to go here. Create a PR because I did it for my phone. Squash and merge. Alright, should be deployed in like 30 seconds.
When you make tic-tac-toe?
I think I made tic-tac-toe a couple times. I think there's a stream of me on YouTube making tic-tac-toe like 5 years ago. Oh, okay. So remember we made the game to the boxing game. We made the change to the boxing game. So if you go to GitHub, this is what I'm trying to invite you to, right? And you go to block punch kick, you'll see pull requests right here. And this is what I created for my phone. Now it failed, but I think this was already failed. Oh, this is just an already existing issue that you can ignore. I need to fix it, but it doesn't actually break anything. But you can try the game with the change here. Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
You guys did that. And this one has, when it's not in streamer mode, it actually has, I don't know what the commands are. Again, I usually play with mobile.
Well, I'm pretty sure you have to press it with your mouse.
Oh, that's dumb. That's pretty sick. You guys just made this game much better.
Oh, and you should also make like a stand, like stands and like
The kick is still pretty bad.
robots
It
jumping.
took a long time to get it to do the kick animation, and it's just the foot, I think. Yeah, the shoe is like way out there. Yeah, it's hard to do animations from just text
It would be cool with
and
some
screenshots, but that's something we could probably fix. All right, we should add keyboard, but that's another thing. Yeah, you guys can mess around with it, keep adding stuff. So just open this up, and then I'm gonna merge it. I need to fix the error there, but now that should be live as well. Cool. So once you get the invite.
It's just been doing that for a while.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Did you refresh and should have less messages now?
Oh yeah, way less.
Okay.
You still have the tic-tac-toe?
I don't see the messages on when it's not widescreen. I guess you could say that's on purpose. It's not a billboard at this point. Maybe that's fine. Let me zoom out. No. I could probably do
Is it like a different emoji on that one because it's a Samsung emoji?
oh yeah, that's true. Or Mac versus Windows probably. But it's in the browsers, I don't know, that's weird. Where's a tablet? I'm looking for like a tablet iPad Pro. See that's wide too. I guess it only shows those commands on streamer mode. That's probably fine. I don't think anyone's gonna use the app directly. Okay. We have to test it now. We switch to the racer. I'll do it. SBB game. What is it? SBB game TR.
Yep.
Oh, okay, but then that's in the way. How do we get rid of that?
Say move it to the right. No. Make it smaller and not that like little thing.
Yeah, it needs to account for it.
And maybe on like the bottom because there's like nothing at the bottom. It
That
should be like
does work.
horizontal.
Because they're just a tiny bit.
Yeah, with chat though. You just see the last message. Why don't we just move everything else over?
Yeah, and then
It's too long anyways.
It's too wide.
Move the chat and game commands. Or no. The ultra wide when playing text. Racer. Game controls. Game commands. And chat overlap the
yeah,
cars.
this is so good for this
Move
like,
the
screen.
cover slash racetrack slash words of the game to the right of the text. Okay, see if that works. Did you cancel and try again or something?
No, and I said next, and I said verify, put in the password, I put it in, and it just.
Maybe it's.
I think it's working this.
At the edge of the universe.
Okay, let me do something here. Okay, so this is the game. It's kind of cut off right now. We'll fix that. You know what sucks though is like I can't move this out anymore. I think it's as far as it goes, right? Let's see. Maybe a little bit if I tighten it. Can you see the finish line? As long as you can see it, I guess it doesn't matter. See, you can't really see the finish line. I guess I could move the camera. It's so far. This way. Is that better? Almost.
How about the camera?
All the way in the corner. Almost. There we go. Yeah, looks cool, right? And then I'm right here, and that's perfect.
And that's good for like your other screens too, because it shares more of the screen.
All right, let's try SBB. Actually, let me see. I might have the fix already. Okay, refresh. Should be fixed. And then who wants to race me? Here.
I'll go from. Oh yeah,
Use my
it's
phone.
perfect.
Yeah, much better. Okay.
I'll do,
You be what car do you want to be?
I'll be blue.
I'm gonna be red.
Wait, so
You need your phone? No. Okay, wait. So it's you know what it is? SBBTR and then your color first letter and then the word.
The chat said it's loaded.
Okay, we'll wait. Good? No? We got loading everywhere. Spinners everywhere. This would be so easy to troll if I actually had viewers. Just come in and turn the game off.
SSB. What is it?
SBB, billboard. BBTR, and then your color. What color are you? I'm red.
Is it capital T?
No.
I'm blue.
So green or yellow? Why or
Green.
okay. And then the first word. Ready, set, go.
What is the first one?
The.
Oh wait.
I'm the only one who won't get timed out. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one? No, this is right. I can't really see the words. Is it really wizards? It is wizards. Okay. I didn't know if this was live. I can't tell if I'm getting them right. I'm going blind. Going in blind. Did I get it? Oh, quickly. I missed the word quickly.
I'm not working. 5 isn't working.
Are you timed out?
No.
Green 5. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, it says it's
What if I do it?
just that I got.
Green 5. I just did yours. Did it work?
Yeah, it worked.
Okay, yeah, I think you guys are getting timed out. I don't know how we can do this without getting timed out. Where am I at? At Dawn. I'm gonna beat you. Boom. Can't type on your phone fast enough? Look at that. One red forever and ever. If you refresh, that should stay there. Let's test that. Refresh. Should always have my winnings.
But you have to.
Oh, it's not persistent.
Yes.
Oh, I know why. I didn't hook up the KV store. So this is pretty simple. You just go to the project like this, settings, not environment variables, so it's not settings, it's database, it's data storage, and then it's connected to this existing thing. Custom prefix, don't need it. Boom. Okay. Do I have to redeploy? Wait, did I actually connect? It's connected, right? Okay, cool. Let's just try one more race. Well, no, I had better redeploy just to be sure. Give me a sec. I'm gonna fix something too. Didn't we see a bug?
With 5 not working.
Let's just time out though, right?
But like for me, it didn't work. I think I just got timed out.
Oh, I was saying the persistence didn't work, but do or no. I just want to trigger a redeploy. All right, refresh.
Hang on.
Why are you typing liquor and jugs over there, dude? What are you typing? This is the words. All right, now it should remember. Okay, try it. Is it the 5 again? No, crazy. Let me refresh, see if I can see it. I'll just go to the page.
Wait.
Oh, I'm still seeing the old screen. I don't know how to. I need to like force reset. Hey, who's playing red?
Green isn't working again.
Oh, that was me. That was me. Okay. I'll just have to keep checking.
Every time on the third word,
Fred.
green doesn't work.
Right. I think you just get timed after 3 words. Because he's on my account. Yeah. That's what it is. Bought. Many. Very. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Very. Exquisite. Well, that was a hard word. Opal. Jewels. Red forever. Alright, refresh. Try it. Nope.
Does it go?
The scores are not persistent for all time. Okay, telling Claude to fix it. All right, well, start thinking about your next game, or you can edit this one too. But like, think of like if you want to just play. What do you want to play, or if you want to change any of the other games? We do need to tune this stuff. This is just broke. Maybe I'll have you log in on a different machine first. Chrome
I'm thinking
OS.
rock, paper, scissors, but I don't know how that would work in a chat because they can just see what they say.
I bet you there's some innovation if you can keep thinking about it. It's probably a good idea. We're not thinking about it yet. Is your account a child account?
I don't know.
certain that's the right password.
Not very, but whenever I do it, it like tests. I see that does it. That's what I write. That's what I write.
It's a 4-digit pin? 6-digit. 6-digit pin.
Doesn't matter.
I mean, something you'll remember. No. I want to play some more Bushido Blade. It's funny how the streams are out of sync and I see you in both. And one you're making a funny face and the other one you're normal. You see that? That's weird. It's like two of you. I'll show you guys what I see. Do it again. Do it again. I can't tell if we're doing it or if that was the old you. Now I'll know which one's new. Okay, that's the newer one.
Here you go.
So YouTube is way behind. Why is Twitch so much better at streaming?
Because it's a streaming
platform.
platform.
Yeah, YouTube is just like specifically for streaming.
Yeah, but YouTube is Google, man. They got money. They've been working on it for 15 years. They should have ate their lunch by now.
I'm sorry.
There's more to talk about downstairs.
I got ice cream because yeah.
I'll go check what's downstairs.
I'm gonna go check because I'm about to.
His phone. My phone. Chris, you take my phone? Setting up his GitHub. First thing I'm doing, turning on dark mode. Oh, it's so ugly when your browser is not dark mode. Okay. Repositories. org. Just accept an invite.org. There we go. Great. Woo! Let's see. Get the Android app for Claude. Play Store. This is like the worst. So I'm looking at this Chrome OS. Like looks nice, but it's actually like the cheapest, flimsiest, plasticky keyboard I've ever seen in my life.
Rachel asked how long until you're done.
I need your phone number. Yeah. Well, don't say it on stream. Hold on a second. This is weird. You can run Android mobile apps, but not like. I guess they don't have desktop apps. That makes sense. Okay, you're in my org now. I'm gonna say pin this. I'm gonna bookmark this. Add tab to new reload pin. Okay, type your phone number. I guess we can end the stream. Always watching anyways. This is gonna be a weird VOD if anyone tries to watch this. The earlier one too, with all the frames dropping. Chris, say goodbye.
Bye.
Not to me, to the world. Tell the world what you thought of the PlayStation 1 games. Tell them you didn't even know there was such thing as PlayStation 1, right? You just thought it started at 5?
No.
Just kidding. Tell them. What did you think of Bushido Blade?
It was fun, and
What else? Did you like Forza better? Forza Horizon
Yeah,
better?
I typed in the application code.
Okay. Here's the free one, but then I also have credits.
I'll give you credit. Really,
code passed, let me know.